Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing animated using transitions and PowerPoint. So as you can see, this template is related to a Porsche car and I'll show you how to make this amazing template. But first be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's begin. So open up a blank slide and then what you have to do is insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Use a dark color for it, go to pictures and you have to insert the logo of the Porsche brand. And then what you're going to do is put it right here. So as you can see, Porsche is a car company. Now I'll just place its logo downwards. Next we're going to go to models and insert a model of a car. So this is a Porsche car and this model is the one I took from the sketchfab.com. You can download it from there. Now duplicate the slide and you have to decrease this rectangle size. Move this logo upwards and for the car, move it right here and go to model, 3D model and you have to change its direction. Put it right here like this. Move this text for the logo upwards as well onto the slide. Decrease this logo size. You have to put it into the middle and the center and then you're going to move the text and insert a text box that shows what model or what car of Porsche this is. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is just change its color to white. You have to use a bold font for it and then you have to increase its size as well. Here you go. Now let's put it right into the middle and the center and let's align it into the middle as well. Here you go. Now, what you have to do is use a dark font for it, and then you have to decrease its size and right click on it and go to the format shape, go to text option, then increase the transparency for this text. Now, send it to the back of the car model, and then the next thing you're going to do is close the format background, and here you go. Paste this text onto the first slide and then move it right downwards. Now, duplicate this slide. The second slide, you have to duplicate it. You have to increase the rectangle and put it into half and you have to decrease the logo size and then put it onto the right top corner, and for this text it is going to go onto the left side. And let's decrease the size of the car's name. Let's go to the format object and go to text options and change the transparency to 0. Here you go. Now insert a straight line just below the title and change its color and give it a weight of 6p.t, and we're going to use yellow for the color right now. And let's use a darker shade for it, and here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is just insert your content text that describes what model it is or what are its specialties, whatever else. Now let me just give it line spacing of 2.0 and here you go. For this model, go to the 3D model option and you have to rotate it like this. Here you go. Now put it right onto the right side and the next thing you're going to do is just insert a text box and write description in it and change its color to white and bold it and use a bold font for it as well. Here you go. Let's give it some line spacing and let's put it right here. Next, we're gonna write our other text and we're just gonna tell what speed of this car is or how much fuel it uses per kilometer. And we're gonna write things like these. So let me just paste them from another place. You can search for all of these from the internet. You can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So the next, let's continue. Now let's remove this text and now we're gonna like duplicate this slide as well by right clicking on it, and we're gonna select the text and then move it on to the left side while holding shift for like to move the text in the straight line. Be sure to move everything in a straight line because for this is really important step for the morph transition, because you have to keep an eye on what is on the first slide and the second slide, because that's all what morph transition is about. Now you have to change the direction of the model, and then you're gonna decrease the rectangle onto the right side, and then we're gonna put the like car on it right here, and then we're gonna insert, let's change the direction of the car if you want, but as you can see I'll just recommend using this direction. Next, insert your text or anything, so I'll just use the slogan of the like Porsche cars, and as you can see this is a slogan of one of the one of the slogans of the Porsche cars. So I'll just increase the size and let's just put it right here, and here we go. Now insert a small text box in which we're going to write the speech bubble commas, and let's use Arial black font for it, and let's increase the size and put it right here. Here you go. Duplicate it and then rotate it like this. Here you go. And put it right at the last of the text. Select both of them, change their color to black, and go to Format Object, Text option, then increase their transparency. But be sure to put them in or like same positions. Now you have to go to the previous slide and paste these commas on them, and then and along with the text, and move the text and the commas out of the slide, either onto the right side or the top or the bottom. Here you go. Now let's move this Porsche logo just right here because I want it to remain on the screen. Here it will be right. Duplicate the slide as well. Now what you have to do next is move the commas along with the slogan out of the slide. Here you go. Be sure to hold shift while taking everything out. So let's decrease the like rectangle size, and for the car let's use another angle. So I'll just use this angle, and here you go. So put it right here, just below. The next thing you're gonna do is insert your text or anything if you want. I'll use the same description from the previous slide. So let's just paste it right here onto the slide, into the middle, and we have to just adjust it, group the text, and then put it into the middle, and then you have to ungroup it by pressing Ctrl Shift plus G. So move this text onto the previous slide by pasting it and then moving it out of the template. Duplicate this slide, and then you're gonna move the text out of the slide and the logo remains there. And for the car, let's use another angle. I'll use the backside angle, and for the like, we're gonna paste the text from the first slide and let's send it to the back. Let's send it to the back, and for the rectangle, also send it to the back. Now paste this text right onto the previous slide, and you have to move it right side of the slide out of the template. For the logo, increase its size. Let me just put this car below and decrease the logo size a bit. And here you go. Move this text right below as well. And for this text, logo text goes right here. Now go to the first slide, transitions tab, and click on morph transition and then apply it to all. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely for free.